In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export analytics reports from Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Once the dashboard loads, select the page you want to report on. If you manage multiple pages, take a second to confirm you're in the right one before moving on, so your export reflects the correct brand or account. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Insights. This is your analytics hub. If the menu is collapsed, hover or expand it to find insights. Inside, you'll see different areas you can explore. Choose the view that matches what you need to report. Page for overall performance, posts for content level results, or audience to understand who's engaging with you. Pick the section that aligns with your reporting goals so your export is meaningful and focused. When you're in the right section, head to the top right corner and click Export Data. This opens the Export Settings window where you'll define exactly what goes into your file. Start by selecting your date range. You can use a preset period like the last 7 or 28 days, or set a custom range to match your reporting cycle, such as a calendar month or quarter. Be consistent with your date ranges over time so your comparisons stay accurate. Next, choose the file format. You'll typically see Excel, .xls, and CSV. Excel is a great choice if you plan to open the report directly in spreadsheet software with formatting preserved. CSV is lightweight and widely compatible, especially if you're importing into tools like Google Sheets, BI platforms, or databases. Pick the one that works best for how you analyze data, then select the metrics to include. This controls the columns you'll see in the export. Choose the measurements that matter most for your goals. Common picks include reach, impressions, engagement, reactions, comments, shares, video views, link clicks, and follower growth. Keeping your selection focused can make analysis faster while still giving you a complete picture. Once everything looks right, click Export. Meta Business Suite will generate your file and start the download. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a clear location. If it downloads automatically, check your Downloads folder. Larger date ranges or detailed metric sets may take a moment, so give it time to finish. That's it, you now have a file containing your page or Instagram performance data. Open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool to filter, sort, and chart results. For clean reporting, name the file clearly with the page and date range, and store it in a shared folder your team can access.